Alrighty, we're at the University of Florida Student Union. Check out these elevators. They're Otis Gen2s. Oop. I thought one was about to move. Oh, one is moving. Look at that. That's really cool. These are the orange elevators. And here's the really cool thing. You can press the normal ordinary button or press this. Look at that. It's made by Wick Industries. I thought one was here. Well, but why press that when you can press this? It's so cool. These are busy because there's only 2 of them instead of 4. Here we go. Look at these. These are tall. Go to LL. Here we go down. We're stopping. Which one are you going to?
All the way down, please.
Because it's so big in there. But it was good. I did a good job.
I really want to join the student.
What floor are we on now? No.
No, there needs to be some part of it. That's my issue.
Because we should get off on one.
Alright, thank you.
No problem.
Thank
Well, good night.
you.
Thank you. Here's your COP, Otis buttons, an ADA phone, certificate with a 3,500 pound capacity. These are nice elevators. You're at LL. Go up to 3. One of the cooler Gen 2 installs I've seen in a while. Here we go. You're at 3. Oh my god, there's an Among Us poster. Very cool. I'm gonna end it here. Those are really cool. Yeah, I know you're going down. There it goes. And that'll be it.